Okay guys, this is a Patriot X2 camper. It's about 4 years old. We've just added a checker plate sheet to it, a tough touring Patriot conversion roof rack at 350mm high, a bunded top standard tent and an ostrich wing awning. This is our latest version 7 of this rack. It features triangulation brackets at each end to make it easy to put doors at either the front and the end, should you wish to, or a cage mesh to keep your luggage in there. And it's all been designed to be removable and replaceable should you cause any sort of impact damage. We've tested all the failure rates of this stuff now too. Wiring runs up from this one. It's been upgraded to 3 160 watt solar panels on the roof of the tent, giving you 400 and something odd watts. Plenty of power at 12 volts back into the existing red arc system that comes with the Patriot. This image now rolling behind the Jeep is a Patriot X1, which is a shorter trailer, 1650mm long, still fitted with the same bundle top tent and awning, but it's a different version of the rack. Obviously it's a bit smaller. Look, I hope you like the videos as a demonstration of this setup. We found that this touring arrangement works great for this trailer and other trailers too, because you've got some space there to store tables and firewood and so on that you would otherwise not have in these great little campers. You find the bundle top tent also works well because it sets up straight up, meaning there's no drying time when you get home, and you can certainly set it up and just dry it in its own footprint. Saves you a lot of mucking around when you get back. You can just leave these things packed and ready to go for the next trip. The racks are engineered and constructed here in Melbourne, Australia. They're built in 3mm mild steel and weigh about 30 kilos. They really improve the load carrying abilities for dirty storage of this trailer, and also improve the setup and pack up speed dramatically for touring with this trailer. We're very proud of these racks. Certainly check out some more information at toughtouring.com.au, and in the search bar just write in Patriot. There's a heap of information there. Thanks for watching.